But that's the thing we look at because we're so close to it. And I love the fact that this communications technology is changing so much that it's freeing people up. It's gone beyond simultaneous ring, where your phone on your desk is now connected to the phone that's in your pocket. So that was what we did. That is what we did with the whole beginning of VoIP. But now we're wondering, will VoIP survive this next change? Because voice is practically free. And the more people lean into technology like the one we're using right now, it becomes pervasive. And then people stop wanting to pay $30 a month for the line that they have on their desk that they're barely using. So eventually it probably will be overtaken by these improvements, let's call it, but definitely it will change. And so just getting ahead of this curve is maybe what we need to be thinking about, is how do we bring that part of the business, the new part of the business into the scene without completely destroying the VoIP that is out there right now. So what do you think about that?
Yeah, well, I think the hosted voice over IP, the traditional VoIP that as we know it, doesn't survive, as we knew it. It changes. Like, we're still obviously talking over IP here, so this is still voice over IP. It's video over IP. We're able to do screen share and everything else. I think what happens, because the guys we're talking about, the ones that are coming, they make money on other things. If you can make your money on email and PowerPoint and, Excel spreadsheets, whatever, or if you're, Google, you make your money on advertising, or Amazon, you make your money on selling goods across the web. And oh, by the way, we do voice communications too, because we need to talk to our customers. And that's just an application that's free. So I think the message to all the traditional VoIP guys, I still consider myself in this bucket, even though I'm not running a service provider anymore, but I feel like I'm still in this bucket. But the message is you have to be providing something else. Like, it's a community. It's a community. It's a platform where we work and play. And if you can run that and maintain those eyeballs and users, that's how you win. Because if there's a platform where, Dave, you and I are talking back and forth, maybe it's LinkedIn-like, or it's, pick any one of these platforms we mess around with during the day that's kind of both, fun and work, right? You're communicating with friends, you've got social media going on, you've got some business going on, and oh, by the way, I can just click to call for free. That's pretty cool. So I think if you're just doing hosted voice, traditional hosted voice as we knew it and loved it so much, and it's still out there today, you have to start thinking about how else can I get people to stay on my platform? It can't be to just pick up a phone with a curly cord and make a call, because I think if that's all you do, that's a problem, right? Wouldn't you agree?
Yes, I agree.